Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Hovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to present to you a prize that I received from the Signet Store as a result of the newly concluded warehouse and company with the collaboration of Signet Store Denim Fade competition with a Salvage Denim jeans. The contest started last April 2022. It was limited to only 100 participants and I joined the said competition. You have to buy the said denim jeans for your competition pair in the said store, and I got a size 31 with a price of 16,500, and I was considered as one of the participants. However, I was not able to use it fully because I was also joining a denim fade competition, which is the Year 3 Indigo Invitational denim fade competition, where I had an Iron Heart 634 extra heavy salvage denim as my competition pair. So for this particular competition, I only use the warehouse denim, salvage denim, as my pajama or nightwear, or whenever I would like to wash my Iron Heart. That's the only alternate denim jeans that I could use. And as a result, I did not win. I did not win. It's just a gesture to this very nice vintage store here in the Philippines to participate and be able to support this store, as I was able to develop and come up with some friends in the denim community or salvage denim community. So shout out to Ed, my friend who is one of the owners, and all the staff of the Signet Store, most especially to Bryce Salhab. I know, Bryce, you are no longer part or a member of the Signet Store community, but I know you are a very avid fan of this YouTube channel, and of course an avid member of the vintage and salvage community here in the Philippines and in international scene. So I'm going to present to you a prize which is very common. I mean, this is the price that they gave to those who joined the said competition. For the top three, they have special prices. I think they have some warehouse items that they were able to win, and I did not get those. And for the rest of us, which are considered as receiver of consolation prizes, we were able to receive a Loopwheel t-shirt from warehouse. And I went to the store and I was able to select the proper size for me and select the color, and it is here right now. This is a Loopwheel shirt. The color is mustard. This is size small. I was able to fit it in the store, and the staff recommended this size for me. And it is small, it is plain, and it says it's not colored mustard, but this is colored orange. Okay, so this will be my second warehouse. It is a Loopwheel shirt. As you know, Loopwheel shirt is only manufactured in only two countries, Germany and Japan. And I am very thankful that I was able to get as a prize a Loopwheel shirt from warehouse and company which is made in Japan. The price of this, if you buy it in the Signet Store, is 3,800 pesos. So we're going to fit, maybe fitted. Oh, very nice. This sleeve length is actually very nice. Even the length as it sits at the top portion of your back pocket, of the denim back pocket, which I learned from the other denim heads. They said that the proper length of a loopwheel shirt or a shirt is the hem just sitting on the top of the back pocket of your denim jeans. So this is nice. What is good about the Signet Store is you can actually go inside the store, talk to the staff, select your brand, and you can try it. They have 2 fitting rooms there, and you can have it fit and let the staff give you a proper feedback if the size is okay for your body. So the way I see it, small from warehouse is my size. Thank you, Signet Store, for the shirt, of course. And as for me, I'm here to support you for your products and for your existence here in the Philippines. You are a very nice store, and your staff are very helpful, very knowledgeable, and very hardworking. So this is my warehouse price, shirt price. And if you have any comments, please say so or write down below. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, as I have more salvage denim and vintage items to present to you, as I'm already a part of the salvage and vintage community here in the Philippines. And if you haven't clicked that notification bell, please click it so that you will be notified of my latest video in this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.